Let's hear her describe the fridge again.
Anything.
Whoa.
But the fridge at Home Depot has been for the longest time. It's like a retro, like weird mid-sized fridge. It's not mini and it's not like a full fridge, but it's like that retro cherry red. It comes in cherry red and like jet black with like chrome accents with that big lever pull handle. Oh, I want one so bad.
It wasn't supposed to be a topic about fridges, but I'm...
Now, the question is, did Aaron ever buy April this fridge and then re-gift it to Kayla? Or is Aaron so uninspired and uncreative that when it came time to buy another woman a gift, he went, what do women want? Well, yeah, April mentioned that fridge she liked one time. Or, as the chat is already guessing, did Aaron buy Kayla this fridge because April had wanted it for a full year? My wife says she wants something like this. A juicer, a food processor, something like that. She really wants it. She likes it. Make the woman happy. Go out immediately to Home Depot and get this $150 fridge. Aaron never gets her it and then buys it for another lover out of spite? Or is he so cheap that they actually had the fridge in the garage and he regifted it to Kayla? You know?
The fridge? Yeah, that was psychological warfare. My bitch wife wants some red fridge. Oh, you like Nick's dick more than mine? Boom, Kayla gets a spite fridge.